Hey guys, a very good morning from Dirang. So today we are heading for Tawang. Guys, we are going to climb up this mountain. It's a huge pothole. Welcome to Sela.
So you might wonder what that buzzing sound. That's the drone.
Amazing experience.
On the first part of our vlog of road trip from Guwahati to Tawang, I covered our journey from Guwahati to Dirang. We halted in Dirang one night. Dirang is a small village and the weather remains pleasant throughout the year. The distance of Dirang to Tawang is 138 kilometers. And Dirang is at 5,000 feet above the sea level. To reach Tawang, we will have to cross Sela Pass, which is located at a height of 13,700 feet, and climb down again at an altitude of 10,000 feet for Tawang. Road looks quite good now. Let's leave behind the technical details for some time and enjoy the scenic beauty, gushing streams and lush greenery. As we are approaching towards Sela Pass, we came across this small monastery and I could not resist myself from getting down the car and enter to offer my prayers. As it was Purnima, the monk was burning some twigs and leaves which was going on as per their culture.
क्या भाषा में क्या नाम है? नहीं पता. ओके. और ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली?
ये मनी है.
मनी है.
मनी इसको ऐसे घुमाना है, इस तरफ से घुमाना है. आप ऐसे राउंड करके
ओके.
इस तरफ से
कर
घुमा
सकते
के
हैं?
हाँ कर सकते हैं.
ओके. ब्यूटीफुल. कितना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है.
Let's continue and move on. Now we are approaching towards Sela Pass. The sky is so clear and that's why we are able to enjoy the views. It seems we are lost in a paradise. The roads are well maintained even here and extremely clean. BRO is constructing road and maintaining the road in their best possible way. From Dirang till here, the roads are really well maintained. We met lots of army personnels. We communicated with a few of them and also stopped by the army canteen to have a cup of tea. As we got to know from army personnel, the Sela tunnel is under construction, which will give Tawang a all-weather connectivity, something like Atal tunnel in Leh-Manali highway. Constructing a tunnel in such a height is a huge task, and really feel proud for Indian Army and BRO. Due to this condition, the approach road towards Sela Pass is broken, and one has to drive very carefully in this road.
Look at this view. It's said, right? There is a saying, difficult roads leads to beautiful destinations, and that's exactly what we are experiencing now. The road is really difficult, curvy, broken, but the view is just for yourself. Guys, we are going to climb up this mountain. See here, from here the road goes. Actually, we are carrying food bags in a food bag where there are lots of chips packet and stuff like that. So as we are climbing up and the air is getting thinner and those packets are popping up like balloons. So this is a totally different experience we are just experiencing now.
Finally, we reached Sela Pass.
Welcome to Sela, which is 13,700 feet high, and I'll have to stop by this place because there is a Buddha statue. It's written already, kindly stop by for offering your prayer for a safe journey. Of course, I'll offer my prayers for our safe travel. Let's go up. We'll have to go over there. I am really mesmerized by this view. The weather is so pleasant. My kids and my husband is not able to come. They're over there because my son is sleeping. Look at the view from here. Like in this way, if I stop at every point, I don't know at what time we will reach Tawang. So better let's move on.
Because we were at a height of 13,000 plus feet, the oxygen concentration in air gets reduced a lot and one may feel breathlessness issues. Please look for our vlog on high altitude travel, which is coming soon. And my kids were sleeping all the way and now they just woke up.
Kids are finally awake. Hello, Ved. Sela Lake that I was talking about. So mostly in winters this remains completely frozen, but now we are enjoying this view of the lake.
We have 90 more kilometers to cover on a high altitude terrain. God bless us. After driving for around 40 kilometers, we reached Yashwantgarh War Memorial. There are lots of war memorials in Tawang and en route Tawang. But this holds a very special place in history due to the valiant efforts by Martyr Yashwant Singh, a rifleman from 4th Garhwal Rifles during 1962 Indo-China War. We are blessed that you were there, sir. Salute to this great son of our country. Right opposite to the war memorial, there is a decathlon store and an army canteen where warm clothing is available. Now, our next planned stoppage is Nuranang Waterfall, which is also known as Jang Waterfall. This fall is 30 kilometers shy of Tawang. As we were approaching towards the waterfall, we could clearly hear the sound of gigantic fall. The height of the fall is more than 300 feet, and this fall originates from Nuranang River, which itself originates from Sela Pass and meets Tawang River. This place is still relatively unexplored by tourists. So, when you are visiting Tawang, make sure you don't miss out on this heavenly place. It took us around an hour more to cover the remaining 31 kilometers, and we finally completed our road trip from Guwahati to Tawang. It was a memorable drive and was an amazing experience for our family. This was our first time we explored the drive on the lap of Himalaya. It was charming, adventurous, and requires a lot of caution while driving, especially when you are driving with kids. My kids were very supportive throughout the journey. Last but not the least, thanks to my car for being our great companion. So hope you enjoyed our road trip, and if you have not watched the first part of this vlog, please go ahead and check it out, and the link is in the description box below. Thank you, bye bye, and have a great time.